Hello my lovely kids. How are you all? Hope you all are well at your places. Today we will learn how to make a puppy face by folding the paper. Let us see how to make it. Take a square sheet of paper and change the position of the paper like this. Start folding your square sheet in half diagonally and make a triangle. This is a triangle. Now fold the corners, this one and this one. Fold the corners like this from right side and from left side. These will be the ears of puppy. Now fold the bottom tip like this. It's time to draw his eyes. Beautiful eyes. Nose. And mouth. A beautiful puppy face is ready. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.